समय सबैलाई पाइन्छ जीवन परिवर्तन गर्नको लागि। समय सबैलाई पाइन्छ जीवन परिवर्तन गर्नको लागि, तर जीवन फेरि पाइँदैन समय परिवर्तन गर्नको लागि। Thank you so much for having me. I would like to congratulate class 12 students for conducting this program for class 11, and I would like to address our special guest, chief guest, co-teachers, and the leader of tomorrow, that is my lovely students. Okay, today I am going to talk about the secret of success and attitude. Actually, everybody wants a success, but only the few people want success very badly, and most of the people don't want success very badly. So in this case, most of the people in every circumstances got failed. So when you want to succeed, as bad as you want to breathe, you are going to be successful. When you got to the point when you want to be successful, as bad as you want to breathe, you will be successful. So the main reason of unsuccess in a student's life that I have seen is that when you are studying and get tired, you just give up. But please, don't try to give up. Try to keep going. You are already in pain and got hurt. Get reward from it. And don't go to sleep until you succeed. And just give your best and don't think about the result. Because there is a saying, because there is a slok in Bhagavad Gita that is कर्मण्येवाधिकार अस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन मा कर्मफल हेतुर्भु मा ते सङ्गोत्स्व कर्मणि। यो भनेको के हो भने तपाईको अधिकार कर्म गर्नेको मात्रै छ, फल त ईश्वरको हातमा छ। र त्यसैले त्यो भन्दैमा तपाईले कर्मबाट भाग्नु पनि उचित छैन र कर्मको फलको अपेक्षा राख्नु पनि उचित छैन। So now I want to talk about a little bit about attitude. What should be our attitude? Actually, your attitude defines you in your life. Your attitude should be like king of jungle. Yes, your attitude should be like lion. Because lion leads from the front. It's about having the strength to stand and fight about yourself. It's about having the courage to go bravely in your own direction. So just give your best, and you know what is your best. You know what you are thinking. You know what path you take. You know your courage, you know your strength, you know your heart. Everybody has the heart of lion inside it. Let it out. Let it scream out of you. Unleash the lion from you. Attitude is what you do, what you think, and what you feel about yourself. Attitude is everything in life. Everything is based on the attitude that is showed at the moment. Your attitude determines your altitude. When going gets tough, just show your courage and strength, and just not give up. That is lion attitude I am talking about. So what do you think about yourself? The question is, what your attitude toward the life? What do you think about yourself? Do you think yourself as God think of you? Or do you think yourself as how your friend and family member think of you? Take charge of your own destiny. You need the lion attitude to take the charge of your destiny. So my speech is, I think, getting longer and longer. So thank you for giving me the opportunity to have some words. Thank you.